In news from Pakistan, scores of labourers in Pakistan's southern Sindh province were seen repairing railway tracks which were damaged by devastating floods in the country, eyeing a possible restart of the train services in the first week of October. Thousands of rail workers have also been struggling for income for more than a month now.
Hundreds of laborers were seen working to repair railway tracks on Wednesday damaged by recent floods in Pakistan's southern Sindh province, eyeing a possible restart of a train service next week. Thousands of rail workers have also been struggling for income for more than a month after a historic and intense monsoon dumped about 3 times as much as rain as Pakistan's three-decade average. Local broadcasters reported that the Federal Minister for Railways told a cabinet meeting on Wednesday that he had given orders for normal operations to be restored as soon as possible, but they had to wait for water to drain first.
पूरी इंतजामिया मशीनरी लगी हुई है, डिविजनल अफसरान वगैरह जो हेडक्वार्टर के आए हैं उन्होंने चीफ इंजीनियर साहब हैं, सीईओ साहब हैं, मिनिस्टर साहब की कोशिशों से 5 तारीख को एक्सपेक्टेड है कि ये कंटिन्यूस हो जाएगा सिस्टम जो रेल का नॉर्मल पोजीशन में आ जाएगा।
ये ट्रेनें 1 महीने से बंद है, हमारा रोज़गार बिल्कुल ठप पड़ा है। इंशाल्लाह चंद दिनों के अंदर सुना है कि रेलवे बहाल हो जाएगी तो हमारा आमदोरफ्त शुरू हो जाएगी। हमें फ़िलहाल कुछ भी नहीं है, हम फारिग खड़े हैं, हम बेरोज़गार हैं, हमारा रोज़गार यही है, इसी से हमारा दारोमदार चलता है।
UN agencies had begun work to assess the South Asian nation's reconstruction needs after it received 391 millimeters of rain, or nearly 190% more than the 30-year average in July and August. The deluge, which scientists say was exacerbated by climate change, has killed nearly 1,600 and affected about 33 million people in the country of 220 million. It has swept away homes, crops, bridges, roads and livestock, ill damages estimated at $30 billion.